Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV is not in Jamaica anymore, so nobody can do him anything. Here is what King Forever had to say.
Yo, what on? Yeah, you hear me, Mr. G? Yeah. I'm gonna tell you something. I'm turning on the camera and talk because I'm in hide and talk.
No hide and talk, no time, man.
If a boy he say he can jump in a minute back. Yo, it's some people, they might come for live and I come burn out people. We should come out of the room. We should come out of the room.
Hold
on, wait, man.
This is Twy and King Forever on the same live. No, the filter is me. I'm the one wearing the filter. So when I show it, the filter is going to show on them. It's not them wearing the filter. All right.
Well, I'm my daughter for SOS. Hold on, I know part. Let's make my daughter here.
We need a representative for Dre TV and King Forever and Twy. We're going to try Twy case again, but we have these are some new just-ins.
We don't care who I reach out. Everybody what he said.
But you know, you tell me.
Much for me. Amen.
I'm telling you, man. We know money there, I'm not finding.
Let me hear what Stomach King said. Stomach your fart. Stomach what I said.
Yeah, man. So, you know me, I see it. I'm gonna show you something in real life. I'm gonna tell you something, brother. Me have two friends. I'm gonna tell you about. Me have two friends. One of them, we got go club, see? And the man that burn out the man in the most way in the club, burn out the man the most way in the go club. And I said 2 days after, a woman can video can show with him, and he am in front. You see? I'm gonna tell us. Don't wait. You see me and Jay and him film woman, me and Jay and my woman in a one bedroom. Jay and him film woman and me and him my blood clot woman in a one blood clot bedroom.
Who will represent Dre TV? What caused this? What caused King to come with this? What is the matter? Guys, eating vagina is very common. We women love it. We love to get our vaginas eat. But some of the men, they claim they don't eat vagina, so they don't even eat us. But what we're asking you guys is, we're going to get back to this. Who is going to represent these people?
Good morning, Miss Bling. King are the biggest embarrassment. Like, how would you go on live and talk that? Like, a little respect when I have to say gone. It gone. All because I'm man and him mouth. I can't believe I said they nasty. That's all I have to say. Bye.
Thank you. Let us go back to the recording.
Friend, one of them, we got go club, see? And the man that burn out the man in the most way in the club, burn out the man the most way in the go club. And I said 2 days after, a woman can video can show with him, and he am in front. You see? I'm going to tell us
Don't do that, Sash.
Wait, you see me and Jay and him film woman, me and Jay and my woman in a one bedroom. Jay and him film woman and me and him my blood clot woman in a one blood clot bedroom.
So, how you going to go on like say? You must see it.
What you say?
Him and him film woman in a bedroom and me and him film me. Him and him film one. Chava say did it.
Okay, man, dangerous boy, man.
No, but so how you going to go on like, how you going to bring me name cross, bro, like say?
Me I say, so when the same man come on TikTok and go and expose and talk about Nyam pussy, them man they fit go brother and tap that brother. Them man they biggest ball cap brother.
But man, you can't, you know, you never do that shit, bro.
But,
You never do it, bro. But me I say, I show you some man, I bring down the thing, bro.
But that's me I want the only man come brother, I bring down blood clot, you. But they are far now, no can't even not blood clot, but they are far now, come.
I live with that Jamaica, they can't pay you, because you know how they know.
Brother, hear me say brother. Brother, me hate a man who come on live and a burn out a man, brother, and him a do the same thing, brother. Is me I say? Oh, if him come and do the same thing and him know say name front on him and come up and talk about this and that and rare. And him a batty man to the car there. Me not go text no man as a no man.
You see me, bro?
Me not text no man as a woman.
hey, King, me no cut you, but me respect you.
You hear that?
Yeah, man, respect you. Because if me not push me, I come back and tell about that, you know. But
Brother, me don't give a fuck, man.
no, me say I read. I read, man. People on top of me scheme, King I read, King say, yo. Anyway, and that me no know. You know what it is?
King, what you say about King?
Enough of them boys are around
Brother, the man a pussy dog.
Yeah, King said, King said, him and him film in the next room. And the man,
Me never say nothing. I be upset.
Yo, come back, man. Come back, go say yes, brother.
Listen.
Wait, talk what you say, man.
Cause we do a survey, you know, man. Them boy they a big girlfriend. Them boy they you know. Them boy they pussy every day, you know, brother. I know that for a fact, you know. You see me? Oh now, as I say, we not too far. We not here, brother. Fix your mind. Fix your mind, yeah, Kings. The speaker. Why the king on the band?
yeah, me ask him answer me.
Yeah, King we not here.
My name is the Queen of TikTok. And I am endorsing pussy eating. We love it. But this is what Dre had to say.
The vice note to my time today, I post everything, you know. Cause I see you, yeah, post him, I post everything. I ask him if you not, me tell him, if I know them did it, if I know them did it, you know, that me prove, you know. You can prove it, you know. If you have something to prove, you prove it. I lie me, I tell. You understand me?
Yeah, bro.
If you have something to prove, you prove it. And it's simple.
King the live and say
I'm creating in a dog. Everybody know me and King no deal. Everybody know me and King no deal. King is a big crop. King is a big crop. What King own out of YouTube for YouTube days. And I'm telling you this, I can't about me living in one house. This, that, the man King never fuck one woman in his roommate. God boss me. God, if I lie, I tell that God boss me there, so. Yeah. Believe me. God boss me head there, so if I lie, I tell that you feel it, drop down pan. Never. And you know that? I'm hear him pan live. I chat with that day boy there. More I know how in the pan life I chat with that the boy there. We attack. I like my tell. You know if you fuck I like my tell. And here I go talk about me can't do him nothing cause you know they are Jamaica again. Like what me that try to do for there.
Dre said King is lying. Who will represent King forever? And who will represent Dre? Guys, let me tell you guys something. When King was on the live with Twy was saying them never do them something there. That's what Twy said. People, nothing is wrong with eating vagina. Pussy for eat. Miss Bling endorse that. But you have some men that they don't do it, or they don't want to do it, or they're scared to do it. I just for them think that. But listen, Twy, remember, you told Dre girlfriend that you wanted to come up to travel overseas to eat her pussy. So that's why how it go. And we know these are some of the things some desperate motherfuckers do. They'll just eat a bitch pussy in a heartbeat. It's not every pussy for name, just like, oh, I know every cocky for suck. And when cocky good, it forget a proper suck off. Miss Bling endorsed that. But I know every cocky for suck. I know every cocky for suck. So we're going to add some people that I see sending requests to hear their point of view. We're still looking for the representatives for these people.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon, my dear.
Okay, representing for Dre TV.
All right, thank you. What is your name?
Close vibration.
Close vibration, could you please give me a minute? Let me see what this person wants up here. Let me just try to add these people to see who will represent for...
Hi, Your Honor. My name is Kimon, and I'm actually representing Dre as well. So I'll be seconding the person here.
Oh, so you will be assisting Chloe.
Most definitely.
Okay, so now we need we're looking for a lawyer for King Forever. King.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello. Hello.
This is not a joke. We're looking for a lawyer for King Forever. Guys, if you're just joining the live, King Forever said King Forever is saying that him and Dre TV was in the same room eating out vagina. Dre TV came live and said that's a big lie and him want the ceiling drop down on him if anything goes so. We're looking for a lawyer for King. Where are the King Forever fans? And guys, if you can, guys, who will represent Twy as well? Because Twy told Dre TV woman he want to come over there to come eat her pussy. And then him said no go so. But that's what Dre said. So we're just looking for those people to represent God Almighty.
Hello.
Sir, this is not a joke.
Hello.
So if you go suck out your mother and stop sending your requests come up here for bullshit. Sir, me not have time for this. Me not have time for this. Chum. You guys like to just interrupt my business. I don't have time. I have to pay light bill, rent, and all type of stuff.
Yo. Man, so you me have to see it. I gotta show you something in real life. I'm gonna tell you something, brother. You see it? I'm gonna tell you something.
Don't do that.
Wait, you see me and Jay and him film woman, me and Jay and my woman in a one bedroom. Jay and him film woman and me and him my blood clot woman in a one blood clot bedroom.
So how you come on like say, you must see it.
What you say?
You know what?
Him and him people man in a bedroom and me and him to me. Him and him team one. Chavas said it.
Somebody call Chabas. Which Chabas is he talking? Did he say Chabas or Jabas? How it go? Chabas. Somebody tag him. People not tag the people them. All them motherfuckers watch me. And the whole blood clots of them underneath them fake page. Pussy for eat. Moderator, can you block the person who's sending me the request? Me tired of him. Kabija, whatever it is. Thank you. All right, so we're going to do this because King Lawyer is not present. So for the people who will defend King, you can come up and go toe to toe with Dre's lawyer. Now, state your name for the record, Chloe.
Okay, this is Cole's Vibration representing for Dre TV.
Are you related to Dre in any way?
No, I'm not, but I've seen them.
So you know about the
I've seen
situation
them.
between Dre and King and everybody?
Yes, I've seen them around. I've heard of them and everything. Yes, like seen them before. Hear
Okay.
the whole situation.
One Kim.
All right.
I have never met this person. I was just following up with information and words that come directly from his mouth because I was actually on his live also to gather more information today. So
Who's live?
Andre's live.
Okay, so what can you tell the court about what King Forever said?
Okay, so the information that I understood, first of all, listening to this, and I want you guys to understand, this is a plot. A plot against Dre, reason being because of opportunity reasons. And the fact is that he's not debating about what had happened, but to whom it happened with. The fact that he thought that this person was a friend. That's the whole issue, and persons is not getting it. That's the whole point. He's not stopping persons from being in the female's inbox or wanting to get to know this person. The point that he's trying to bring across, he's not expecting that from a friend. And from King's point of view, he has been buried and he's looking to be resurrected. He's looking to be resurrected. Okay, so you find where anything that has to do with bringing down somebody, he's going to be all for that. I'm not going to debate on the fact, Your Honor, about the issue that took place in the bedroom.
Yes.
But what is this called for now? It's a plot. It's a grouping up against a person that seems as if he has no voice. But to say we are his voice, Your Honor.
Is there anybody who would like to speak on King's behalf? Send your requests and come on up and speak on King's behalf with these lawyers. These two lawyers are representing Dre. We are fair. We're not unfair. So I don't want nobody come and say why King don't have a lawyer. All y'all, I know some of y'all support King. So you people come up and in King's defense. Now, Miss Chloe, what do you have to say about this?
I do agree with my partner with the whole plotting thing, especially in the bedroom. All right. I don't care what happened in there, but why wasn't it mentioned before all of this came up? Because really and truly, like I've said, I've seen these persons before. I'm very observant. I'm in Mandeville. I'm from Mandeville, born and grown in Mandeville. I'm very observant. I've drive past several times and see them one another apartment, so I know the link was strong. I realized that King and Dre, like the friendship kind of got distant, like a
Give me
long
one
time.
second.
Yeah, it's
Give me 1 second. People in the court, we are requesting Jabas or Chabas. We not sure who King said. But some Jabas was there, and we have to hear Jabas side. Please to tag him. Continue.
I haven't seen them together like for a very long time. So I know that there was some issue there, right? However, when this incident came up between him and Twy, I don't see why was it necessary for King to like jump on Twy's side, and like whatever issue where him and Dre have, they should have issued it out before, because I've known of them from day one. Like Dre said, he's the one who brought King from Westmoreland, which I've seen because I've seen them around. I've seen them at the supermarket. I've seen them at the dentist. I've passed their apartment going home, and I've seen them together. Me see them at club. Me see them at bar. Me see them at barber shop. So I know of this. So now I'm trying to say like what's the issue? And Dre is my client, and yes, I would really want to know what causes the issue between him and King before this, that King would have really team up with Twy and be against him. I've seen them together.
So basically what you guys are saying, you guys are just saying that King Forever just want to come and create mischief. That's what you guys are saying?
Yes, and this is some issue before, because like I've said, I've seen them, but I know that there was some falling out between King and Dre TV. I don't know what it is, but I think that my client is also holding back the real issue that they have. So, all right then, King a team up with Twy. Let's start the real issue. What happened between you and I? Why you choose to come out and gang up on me?
And side and take side. You're on a permission to speak also.
Yes.
I was on his live today and I made a comment. I said to him, and I quote, that females will only mention about the persons that they don't have feelings for. Right? He mentioned to me in his own words. He said, I wanted to understand what the issue is. It's not what was mentioned from the person's mouth, but whom it came from. First of all, he was not debating on the fact that he wanted to fly in to have that oral. That wasn't the issue. Why is it that they continue to use that as in he's saying that he's against the fact that he wanted to do that? It's not that. That's not the issue. The issue is the person that he had expected to be his friend is coming from that person's mouth. But if you listen, Your Honor, to the debate,